Hi, this is Don Nelson, editor of the Additive Report and host of the Additive Manufacturing Minute. Hey, down here. I am here at Rapid TCT 2021. I am with Kevin Sykes, who is the president of Massivit North America, and we're going to talk a little bit about large-scale 3D printing. The Massivit 5000, which is right behind me, builds parts that are up to 57 by 70 inches. And one of the trends I've noticed in industry is people are building larger and larger 3D printers. My question is, what's driving that?
So the initial answer I will give you, and the main answer, is things like this. And that is very large parts. What we've seen is that there are a number of manufacturers out there who require large parts as a part of their prototyping, as a part of what they deliver to their customers. The key, however, and the difference between Massivit and other 3D printers out there is that we believe that speed unlocks size. And what I mean by that is we print faster than any other 3D printer in the industry. And as a result of that, we're able to print those large parts much faster than typically can be done. For example, that hood was printed in 29 hours. On any other technology, you're talking about days to do that. And before the manufacturers that you talked about, they had to print those in many, many sizes, many pieces, I should say, and then put together as opposed to being able to print them in one part.